Coffee is now synonymous with working, pero aminin natin, minsan paulit-ulit na yung order natin. Kaya in this episode of Todo Unwind, we visited different coffee shops around the metro and we did a surprise order. Unahin na natin yung akin. Unahin na natin. Fairview. Alam ko, hindi or kulang yung representation ng Fairview Novaliches. Alam natin lahat yan. So, tingnan natin to.
We're visiting one of our favorite cafes called Let's Meet. So this place is actually very vibey. There's lots of chairs. They have an alfresco area. So ito na yung menu nila. Lots of coffee items, non-coffee, even matcha. Very good here. And they also have a takeout window outside. So if you don't really want to go dine in, that's super fine. So for today's mystery drink, we asked the baristas what they would recommend for us to take under their coffee series. And lo and behold, they sent us their sea salt latte. So this one has a sweet and salty foam on top and a very delicious, very warm flavor profile. So very deserving siya of their bestseller title.
Nandito pa rin tayo sa Fairview Novaliches. Nandito tayo sa Craft Coffee Revolution. Okay pala yung place nila dito. Sobrang perfect for group studies or kung gusto mo lang mag-isa. Very spacious yung second floor nila. Kitang-kita nyo naman, merong malaking table. So pwede for everyone. Meron din pala silang alfresco dining. So kung gusto nyo ng outdoor, pwede rin dito. Ito naman yung menu nila, may breakfast, toast, tsaka pizza. So umorder na kami ng lunch. Ito naman yung 4 drinks nila. Sabi ko kay Kuya Barista, pa-mystery order. So bahala na siya. So ito yung in-order ko. Sobrang sarap na ito by the way. Pancakes lang naman. Pero golden brown siya tapos crispy on the side. Tapos ito naman spicy sardines pasta. Konting spicy lang pero pwede na. Ito na nga yung in-order ko. Sinabi ko kasi ayoko magkape. So ito yung binigay sa akin. Iced chia berry drink. So meron siyang soy milk, tapos may strawberry jam, tapos may chia seeds. Grabe guys. Unexpected to. Okay yung texture, so sobrang solid. Ito na nga yung order namin. Pag napatambay kayo, puntahan nyo na to.
Yun!
Solid Craft Cafe tsaka
Let's Meet Cafe.
Let's Meet Cafe.
Yes.
Galing. Ano yung favorite mo dun sa dalawa?
Ang hirap mamili bro kasi alam naman natin sobrang limited na lang ng options sa Fairview, no? And ang daming masarap. And also, magkaibang sila. So, I would say na yung craft is more cozy. Mas okay siya for group studies. Kung gusto mo mapag-isa lang kasi malamig siya, very cozy yung vibes. Sa Let's Meet naman parang mas mas into community siya. They gather yung mga local shops, tapos may mga bazaar sila. So, very fun. Yes, may community
sa
sila.
Let's Meet Cafe.
Yes. Kaya yun yung gusto ko sa Let's Meet. Pero in terms of coffee, sa taste, dude, sobrang pantay. Kasi magkaiba sila ng level eh.
Right.
Before we proceed with Harry's coffee orders, if you're looking to pursue a degree in tech, look no further than MMDC, Mapua Malayan Digital College. This is a fully online college. Super flexible ng schedule. Merong classes in the morning, afternoon, and night. Take note, 7.5 hours lang a week yung classes nila. And get this, there are no exams. So MMDC focuses on projects, problems, and cases to prepare you for the real world. So guys, ano pa hinihintay nyo? Check out their website at mmdc.mcl.edu.ph and check out their socials at Mapua Malayan Digital. Thank you MMDC for sponsoring this video. So ngayon wala si Harry, may sakit.
Sakit eh.
Get well soon, bro.
Get well soon.
Pero pumunta pa rin siya sa dalawang cafes around the metro, no?
Panorin natin.
Panibagong araw, panibagong kape ang matitikman natin. 1C Coffee, dito lang yan sa Kapitolyo. This is not your typical coffee shop. They are also a community builder. Community builder ng runners and also bikers. So kung medyo sporty ka, you can stop by and then relax muna. Malawak ang varieties nila kaya pwede kang mamili while relaxing.
Tina, ang order ko sana yung yung order nung nauna sa akin ako.
Okay.
Wag mo sabihin kung ikaw na bala.
Okay.
Thank you Tina for this service, no?
Ace.
Thank you.
Thank you. Sea salt honey with oat milk.
Alright, so thank you.
Enjoy, like and subscribe.
This is my first time to try this coffee. Hindi ako binigo ng lasa. Sarap. Nag-aagaw ang alat, nag-aagaw ang tamis, sulit na sulit. Alright, another day, another coffee to try. So nandito naman tayo sa Onward Cafe here at Mandaluyong. And ngayon, tatry natin kung ano man ang in-order ng customer bago tayo. So tara,
Iko, pwede bang orderin ko kung ano man yung order nung nag-transact before me? Sure, sir. Okay, thank you.
Cozy ang loob nila. Pwede kang mag-work, pwede kayo tumambay, pwede mag-chill, no? Ang maganda pa dito, free internet. May wifi talaga sila. So, relax na relax lang. Ito na. At ito na.
Please, your upside down kalyo.
Alright, thanks Iko. The best. Thank you.
Salamat sa naunang customer sa atin. Hindi na naman tayo binigo. As usual, another surprise coffee but consistently delicious.
Kasama ako dun sa 1C eh. In order niya was sea salt. Yun yung isa sa mga bestseller nila. Sarap yun. For some reason, coffee, sea salt,
Kahit yung previous order natin na nag-record tayo.
Palagi namang masarap yun. Actually, kasama niya si Obi dun sa isa. So may representative din.
Onward Cafe, ano ba masabi mo doon, Obi?
Masarap.
Ano ba yung order mo doon?
Strawberry matcha.
Kamusta naman?
Sobrang creamy nun. Suggested ko rin sa inyo.
Kinakabahan ka eh.
Oo.
Kinakabahan ka eh. Pero ano ba, marirecommend mo ba siya?
Yes, recommended ko siya.
Ulit kayo dun sa cafe.
Oo naman.
Ayun.
Salamat, Obi.
Salamat, Obi. Sige. So, check out Starbucks. And then check out another cool spot dito sa Capitolio. Panoorin
Ikaw
natin. Tingnan natin.
Dito naman tayo sa local Starbucks here in Capitolio. So, na ako sa go-to order ko na latte, kaya let's try something new. Ordering ko yung last coffee order nung nauna sa akin. Of course, the obligatory, tingin muna ng merch habang naghihintay ng order.
Jukai latte mo, oat milk. New drink namin, sir, promotional.
Ito naman kasi ito pala yung bagong order nila. It's a Joe Kind collaboration, kaya may Snoopy. And to be honest, I'm glad I did this surprise order because I wouldn't have normally ordered this. Legit, masarap yung lasa, so hopefully next time ilabas nila ulit to. Try naman natin one of the coolest local coffee shops here in Capitolio, Pasig. Sobrang okay ng vibe dito and palaging puno ng tao. None other than Couch Club. Ordering ko yung last coffee order na una sa akin. We placed in our surprise order. Now let's check out the rest of the cafe. Sobrang artsy ng vibe as you can see. They even have on display itong malaking coffee bean roaster. So ang cool lang talaga. While waiting, I noticed that there's a second floor. Of course, I went up. Ang laki pa ng space sa taas. Parang ang sarap mag-focus and magtrabaho dito. Especially if you're doing some creative work. I got Essien, a Thai-inspired coffee in oat milk. Sobrang sarap. Buti na lang talaga nag-surprise order ako. So if you're planning to visit Couch Club, don't forget to try Essien.
Yung sa Joe Kind, yung may Snoopy. Ay, actually, dalawa. Ayun, nagbibigay sila ng mga gantong sticker kapag gumamit ka ng reusable cup. Tapos ito, waterproof. Ang galing.
Okay.
Yung mga ganito pa. Tapos, dun sa isa naman, Couch Club, yun sobrang cool doon.
Parang cool da. Puro cool nga.
Tsaka
Napanood ko.
every Thursday, may mga ano doon, may mga happenings. Parang yung itong week ata, parang may poetry class. Parang last
May
time.
community rin sila.
Oo, tsaka last time, parang nag-present dun yung spit pa nila. Pero dalawa lang sila, hindi naman lahat. Pero sobrang sarap nung coffee doon, yung Essien. Kasi feeling ko yun yung version nila ng salted coffee din eh. Salted latte. Sobrang sarap. If madaan kayo sa Capitolio, of course, check out Couch Club.
Kayo naman guys, baka may mga hidden coffee spots kayo that you know of. Share nyo naman on the comment section below. As always, we're rooting for you.
Galingan nyo, dahil wala si Ari, may sakit.
3, 2, 1, Todo!